Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the GTA 5 Enhanced update error that many players are getting, especially after Rockstar's recent updates. If you're stuck with a failed update or corrupted file, don't worry. I've got the full solution for you right here. Let's get started. First, open the Rockstar Games Launcher. Click on Settings, select GTA 5 Enhanced from the list. Scroll down and click on Verify Integrity or Check for File Integrity. Now let it run. It may take a few minutes depending on your system. Important, it will likely fail and that's expected. This error is caused by a bad or incomplete file. Once the check is complete, a log file is created automatically. Here's how to find it. Open File Explorer. Go to Documents folder, then Rockstar Games, then Launcher. Look for the most recent .log file. It'll have the latest date and time. Open it using Notepad. Now scroll down through the log file and look for lines that say, Warning tracked file was incomplete. For example, it might say file was incomplete, C:\program, files \rockstar games \grand theft auto. V enhanced \play GTAV.exe. That file is causing the issue. Go to the file path shown in the log. In my case, it was C:\program, files \rockstar games \grand theft auto V enhanced. Find the corrupted file, for example, PlayGTAV.exe, and delete it. Warning: only delete the files that the log says are incomplete. Don't remove anything else. Now go back to the Rockstar Launcher. This time, you should see the button say Update or Download. Click it, and now the launcher will re-download the missing or fixed files without getting stuck. Once it's done, you should be able to launch GTA 5 Enhanced without any issues, and that's it. This quick fix should solve your GTA 5 Enhanced update error for good. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're still stuck or if it worked for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.